Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a tool that's essential for anyone working with PVC pipes, the LENOX Ratcheting PVC pipe cutter. This cutter is renowned for its precision and ease of use, making it a standout choice in the market. The LENOX PVC pipe cutter features a durable stainless steel blade designed for clean cuts. It's built with a ratcheting mechanism that reduces effort by 25%, which is a game changer when you're cutting rigid plastic tubing. Compared to similar products like the rigid close quarters tubing cutter, the LENOX offers superior comfort and efficiency. While both are excellent choices, the LENOX stands out for its ergonomic design and premium blade quality. Looking at user feedback, the LENOX PVC pipe cutter has garnered positive reviews across the board. Users praise its ease of use, durability, and the fact that it lives up to its promise of clean cuts with minimal effort. To wrap up, if you're in the market for a top-notch PVC pipe cutter, the LENOX Ratcheting cutter is definitely worth considering. Its combination of durability, ease of use, and precise cutting capabilities make it a standout choice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and DIY tips. Also, let me know in the comments which tools or products you'd like to see reviewed next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.